Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other website you can claim your free Bitcoin from that website. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you Bitcoin to Faucetpay or Express Crypto, anyone you want, and the minimum withdrawal is 1000 satoshis. The first one is the manual faucet. Manual faucet you can claim every 2 minutes 5 coin, daily time claim 100 time claim from here. It's very easy. Solve the capture. Any capture you want, just solve the capture. Okay, like this. Just come down, just click your reward. Okay, and after 2 minutes you can come back and you can solve the capture, you can earn it. Okay, every 2 minutes you can come back and claim it. The next one is the wood claim. If you have energy you can claim it. If you don't have, you go to short links. I show you how you can earn energy. Okay, okay, and if you watch all the short links, they pay you this much energy and this much coin. Okay, the next one is the BTC ads. If you watch all the ads, they pay you some BTC from here, coin from here, 22 BTC ads available. If you watch these ads, pay you 25 coin, and this is the total coin and this much ads available in here. This is very easy. Okay, the next one is the lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket, you can participate the contest, and maybe you are a winner or not. Okay, that's not sure. Everyone ticket is this much coin, and the rule is 3 over 3 weeks waiting. Okay, and this is a very best way you can earn much more earning. Okay, and you can invite your friends. You earn 25% of the commission. Just put your this link to your friends and come here, join it, and you can withdraw your amount. If I reach the minimum amount, I will be share with you the withdrawal proof. This website link available in description. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. So bye bye.